Students, welcome to all. In the last class, we have seen that Robert Baldwin was getting $60 a week in the bank from John Gresham as a secretary. Isn't it? Here, let me see what's happening next. Martha, your father never complained. Your father is getting $60 a week. Okay. But your father never complained about that. John, no, that's just a pity of it. He didn't complain. Well, he will have his chance tomorrow. He will go on the stand, and when he is through, they will put John Gresham where he won't be able to hurt anybody for a while. Wasn't satisfied with underpaying his employees. Had to rob his depositors. Serves him jolly well right. What John was saying to that? No, that's just a pity of it. Mother, you are saying that your father was getting $60 and he has no complaint. That's a pity of it. That's a pity one. He didn't complain. Well, he will have his chance tomorrow. But tomorrow is the chance for him. For whom? That is Robert Baldwin. Tomorrow is the chance for Robert Baldwin. He has to say the truthful thing. He will go on to the stand. Here, he has to go to the court. When he has through, they will put John Gresham where he won't be able to hurt anybody for a while. If they put him in jail, he won't hurt anybody for a long time, for a while, here meaning for a short time. Again, if Robert Baldwin said the truthful things against John Gresham, he will be in jail. Gresham will be in jail. So, what will happen? He won't be able to hurt anybody for a while here. For a while here meaning for a short time. Here, wasn't satisfied with underpaying his employees. Was not satisfied with underpaying his employees. Here, employees that we know, isn't it? He was not satisfied with underpaying the employees. Had to rob his depositors. What he was doing? He was robbing from the depositors. He was not satisfied with underpaying the employees. But what he was doing? He was robbing from the depositors. Depositor, അവിടെ വന്ന് ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആളുടെ നിന്ന് എന്താണ് റോബ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. ഇവിടെ ആരുടെ ഡ്യൂട്ടി? ഗ്രഷാമിൻ്റെ ഡ്യൂട്ടി. He was robbing from the depositors. Serves him jolly well right. Here serves him well, jolly right. But here Robert Baldwin was serving him. Whom? John Gresham. In a rightful way. Again, in a rightful way. Martha, I don't think your father would like to talk that way, John. I don't think that your father will like to talk in this way. Who is saying to whom? Martha is saying to John. Your father will not like. You are saying, you are doubting, you are suspecting your father, but father will not like. John shrugs his shoulders, speaks contemptuously. Here's contemptuously here meaning with no respect. Here, John and Evie both are not giving respect to their father. Why? After hearing this news. Okay, after hearing this news, they are here, Robert Baldwin children, that is Evie and John, both are not giving respect. Here, Martha, your father has nothing against Mr. Gresham. He will tell the truth, nothing but the truth. Here what Martha is saying? Your father has nothing against Mr. Gresham. Your father will not support Mr. Gresham. He will tell the truth. That is nothing but the truth. Okay, here Martha is insisting to say what she was saying. Your father is a sincere person. So, he won't support Gresham. He won't support Gresham. He will say the truth. John, did you think I expected him to lie? Not father. He will tell the truth. Just the truth. It will be plenty. Did you think I suspected him to lie? Mother, what do you think of me? Here John is saying, Mother, what do you think of me? I am not suspecting my father. He will say the truth. That I know. It will be plenty. Here plenty means ഇവിടെ സത്യം പറച്ചിൽ കുറച്ച് കൂടുതലാണ് തന്നെ എനിക്ക് നന്നായിട്ട് അറിയാം. Here, did you think I expected him to lie? Not father. He will tell the truth, just the truth. It will be plenty. Evie, that's father now. So, Evie was waiting for her father, isn't it? Evie was waiting for her father. In the starting itself, we have seen that she went near to the window for the 10th time in 10 minutes. Still, she was watching. She was waiting for her father and saying that father has come. There's a click of a latch key outside. Evie makes for the door. Martha, Evie, you stay here. Let me talk to him first. So here, Evie was moving to the door. And she wants to know whether they suspecting Robert Baldwin or whether there is any case to arrest him. At that time, what Martha was saying, Evie, you stay here. Let me talk to him first. ഞാൻ ആദ്യം ഫാദറിനോട് സംസാരിക്കട്ടെ. എന്നതിൻ്റെ ശേഷം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അതിനെക്കുറിച്ചിട്ടൊക്കെ അറിയാം. Martha hurries out. John and Evie look at each other. So, Martha was going near to the door. At that time, here John and Evie both are looking to them. John wondered what Gresham had to say to him. Here, it started to rain. Here, John is asking to father, wonder what Gresham had to say to him. Why Gresham asked you to meet? What's the matter? Here, like that, here, who is asking to Robert Baldwin? John, that is his son. Son was asking to father. It started to rain. At that time, the rain started. Heavy. Yes. There was a pause. There was a time. There was a stop at that time. Suddenly, John crosses to the door and flings it open. And who is going to the door and open? Here, John. Okay, John is moving to the door and flings up to open. Here, flings up എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ എന്താ അർത്ഥം? ഇവിടെ flings it open എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എടുത്ത് ചാടി ഡോറിൻ്റെ അടുത്തേക്ക് പോയിട്ട് എന്താണ് ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, എടുത്ത് ചാടി ഇവിടെ ഡോറിൻ്റെ അടുത്തേക്ക് പോയിട്ട് ഡോർ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യുക എന്നുള്ളത് അവിടെ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. Suddenly John crosses to the door and flings it open. John. Hello, Dad. Baldwin. Coming in, followed by Martha. Here, Robert Baldwin was coming, that is, coming inside to the house. Baldwin. How are you, my boy? He shakes hands with John. Evie, he kisses her. Okay, so when he enters into the house, he was asking, how are you, my boy? And he was shaking hands to him. And he was kissing his daughter, that is Evie. Martha, you are sure your shoes aren't wet, Robert? You are sure. Are you sure? Here, you are sure meaning here, are you sure that your shoes aren't wet, Robert? Now the rain was started. Are you wet? Are your shoes wet? Baldwin, shaking his head. Shaking his head here meaning moving the head. No, I took the car. Not a drop on me. See. He passes his hands over his sleeves. He goes to a chair, sits. There was an awkward pause. I took the car. I went in car. Not a drop on me. Not a drop on me here meaning ഒരു തുള്ളി വെള്ളം മഴവെള്ളം എൻ്റെ മേത്തൊന്നും തട്ടിയിട്ടില്ല. See. He passes his hands over his sleeves. He was moving the hands over the sleeves. He goes to the chair and sits. It was an awkward pause. At that time there was a stop. John, well, Dad, don't you think it's about time you told us something? Here what John was asking at that time. Here they are waiting. They are very anxious to ask the question to Robert Baldwin. What John Gresham told to Robert. Why he asked to meet. Isn't it like that? They want to ask. Here John, well, Dad, don't you think it's about time you told us something? Don't you think that it's time to say to us something? Baldwin, told you something? I don't understand, John. Here, Baldwin is saying what? Told you something? What I have to told you? I don't understand. What do you mean? What do you mean, John? I can't understand your question. He told you something? I don't understand, John. Here, John. People have been talking about you, saying things. Here, John is saying, all the people are saying about you. They are suspecting you that you too be in that case. Then how can we keep mum? Then how can we keep mum? Here John is asking that question. Well, Dad, don't you think it's about time you told us something? Baldwin, told you something? I don't understand, John. John, people have been talking about you, saying things. Baldwin, what kind of things, John? What they are talking? What the people are talking about me? What they have to talk? Don't they know about me? These are the questions asked by Robert Baldwin. What kind of things, John? John, you can imagine rotten things. I couldn't contradict them. Here, you can imagine. Father, can't you imagine what they may say? Can't you imagine what might they say? Rotten things. They are talking about you in a rotten way. In a what way? In a rotten. What is the meaning of rotten? Cheenya, അരിഞ്ഞ എന്നൊക്കെ പറയൂലേ, അതുപോലെ നിങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച് അത്രയ്ക്ക് മോശമായിട്ട് പറയുകയാണെന്ന് പറയും. ജനങ്ങളൊക്കെയും നിങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ചിട്ട് അത്രയ്ക്ക് മോശമായിട്ട് അവിടെ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. The rotten things, and I couldn't contradict them. We don't know about the case. We don't know about that case. So I couldn't contradict them. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ എനിക്ക് എന്താണ്, അവർ എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയുമ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് അതിനെതിരായിട്ട് ഒന്നും തന്നെ എനിക്ക് പറയാൻ മറുപടിയില്ല എന്നവിടെ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നു. ഇത് കൺക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്യണോ? Let me conclude the class here. Let me see the next class in the next period. Okay, thank you.